wange bampita Hindu Kakembo gwemanyi nga Hindu K sinabeera kikozi naye olunaku luno lunsanyusa nnyo okulaba omwami wange byatuuseeko nebyeyatuukako mwami wange. So I'm really proud of you, my love. I see the hard work you put in. I'm sorry, Nkankananti Abantu. I see the hard work you put in, and I'm really proud of you. So I can't wait to see everyone on 14th February, next Saturday. Inshallah. Tubagala nnyo, tubensunze, to be very prepared. Very. So, yeah, that's it, guys.
Naye muli ba Bibino kati basitemu ku bangalo. Bengalo. Kitegedde? Emotional naye nga tukoze ki? Tubeesunze nnyo olunaku olwo. So now, ladies and gentlemen, in the interest of time, I want us to hear from the man himself. Geosteady. Aliwa. Oh, bambi bansonyu. Wagwan. But this could have, that is my bad. Now, ladies and gentlemen, she's been here. She's supported us. She's a friend. She's a mother. She's a sister. Biggie, what a guan, eh? What do you have to tell Geosteady on his big day?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Geosteady, Uganda mwenda teri wosobola ku spending your Valentine. Ngatoze wa muyimbi ayimba. Geosteady is a musician. Tamayiminga but enyimba ze zonna zikwata ku love. So fenna twagala busoleya bonna. Let's be here. Mugule tiketi ne kusena weziri. Akusheraton weziri. So all of you mbayita 14th tujje wano n'omwagala wo ne mama wo ne auntie wo. Valentine is all about ani gwoyagala. Tekuliko nti love. Mama wants okwera your Valentine, your father, everyone. Mbagala nnyo.
Thank you so much, big events. Before